Recent scientific research shows that despite some specific pathways which are strengthened every time we do a routine thing, our brain can form new pathways which are also strengthened if we practice new habits. Furthermore, old pathways which are not used regularly anymore weaken. The conclusion is that we can deliberately rewire our brains by directed attention towards the desired change. I divided the Neuroplasticity Mastery course into 6 parts. First, the introductory section. We'll start with a brief introduction into neuroplasticity and brain structure. The second module is dedicated to brain builder activities. You'll get about 30 new activities to practice that will develop new neurons and wire in more brain power guaranteed. Also, you will get the 7 rules that will help you build and maintain the habit of using brain builders in your own everyday life. The third module, the Neuroscience of SelfTalk, because it is our self-talk, good or bad, that the brain hears the most. And it is our self-talk that ends up influencing most of our successes or failures in our life. Inside, you'll get the only 2 rules that when using positive self-talk to rewire your brain. You'll also get the top 8 positive attitudes to wire in. Fourth, how to stick to good habits. Here, you will learn the concept of identity-based habits and how to implement it into your daily life. You'll also learn how to break any bad habits and how to make significant changes without overwhelming yourself. Fifth, my favorite module, how to overcome procrastination. Together, we'll go through the 10 secrets of superhuman productivity that will put you onto the right path of hyperproductivity and success. The last module, develop a powerful memory. You will learn how are your memories stored and retrieved by your brain, how to forget a bad memory, and 14 simple hacks to improve your memory. Before jumping into the brief introduction to neuroplasticity and brain structure, I would like to share something special. It is the 5-step routine I use every day to rewire my brain. The ideas behind this process is to tie strong emotion to the rewiring process and repeat it in many ways. Here are the 5 steps. First, carefully break down the habit you want to change. Writing it down clarifies the change needed. Understand precisely why it needs to change and how it has to be done. The brain hates ambiguity and it causes you to lose focus, and the vagueness means there is no clear action to take. The second step, develop a process to follow. Break it down into easy to follow steps. That is very important. Let the goal take care of itself. Following a daily or regular process instills discipline and allows for small changes to take place quickly. It also builds momentum. The first step, visualize the process and generate emotion while going through your process. Fourth, before going to sleep, review the process mentally and talk yourself through it. This means that when you sleep, you mentally process it and the brain records and recalls it easier. It has been proven with recent research that reviewing information before sleeping improves recall and retention. Fifth, tie the change to a current successful habit. The first step of your change needs to link to a current habit, and this allows for smooth action. Once started, momentum takes over. This is my current process, which I will break down with clear examples into the next modules. Let me know what are your thoughts. In the next lesson, you'll learn what neuroplasticity is and how you can use it to your best advantage.